through the stadium parking lot, around to, well, Catella or whatever, and then we're gonna go to Disneyland and yeah, see if we can catch another show at Disneyland. Last night was Rockabilly. Yeah, punk rock. Dude, that was the weirdest thing ever. I went to a punk rock show at the House of Blues at downtown Disney. That was the weirdest thing ever. It was like moms trying to shuffle their kids away from like studded smoking teenagers, you know, and stuff. It was fucking rad. Like, oh, don't talk to that guy. Oh, no. Did you push the button? Oh, it's green. Let's go. Go ahead of me. No. Set the pace.
No, you go.
You're the pace setter. All right, fine. I see how you are. Be that way.
Go fast, dude. I'm just saying. The intersection shit is fucking nuts, dude.
I went when the light turned. I'm not gonna get run over. I know the rules of the road. Stadium.
Damn.
Well, what are we gonna do? Where are we going? We can go across to the other side, like Orangewood's right over there, and then, or Catella. If we just go that way, Catella's right there. Yeah, we gotta go down Catella anyway. Go down that way. That way. And I'll follow you because you're taller, and I don't want to get run over. Where the grove is. Here, go forward. gonna go that way. Bro, we could sell the pot cookies in 10 minutes
Dude, totally.
without seeing a single cop. Let's do that a little bit later. Let's go to Disneyland and then come back and do it. Oh wait, I'm still recording. Damn it. Edit that out.